ADHD Awareness Month and a parent confession. Okay, so Dr. McBride, I'm a therapist, right? I treat lots of clients. I've talked about all kinds of things, anxiety and ADHD. And it's always a little humbling when, as a therapist, something comes at you and just reminds you that we are also human. And here's that moment for me. It was a couple of years ago. Actually, I think it was a cousin by marriage. And if you're watching this, you know who you are. Posted a little thing about neurodivergent kids, right? We're here to talk about ADHD, that talked about how the ADHD brain of a child works. But to sum up, it really talked about how nonverbal working memory was often a weakness for folks who have ADHD, which means that when most of us think about making something like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, we have this picture of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and what we need to do to accomplish said task. But a kid with ADHD doesn't think that way. They don't immediately imagine the peanut butter and jelly sandwich in order to then deconstruct it, get all the materials, and then start making the sandwich and then working that plan forward. And so the crux of this post, which was just mind-blowing, was to help a kid who has ADHD stop and really visualize what's about to happen so they can better plan and then work the plan. And so the examples were like showing the child pictures of places that they're about to go so that they have some comfort in knowing what to expect. Or in my case, I have a little bit older children, one of whom with ADHD, we will stop and talk about maybe cleaning your room. We started breaking it down into really small tasks, right? So not clean your room, that's big, broad, non-specific, but I need you to organize your dresser. Let's start with your sock drawer. If that's done, what would that look like? I want you to take a moment and picture what a completed, organized sock drawer is. He could then picture what that sock drawer looked like, and then he could start making a plan and work that plan forward. It's kind of magic. With little kids, you can even take pictures of what a completed school bag might look like or what's necessary before leaving the house and post that near the door. So I thought this was a mind-blowing tip. A shout out to the cousin who posted it originally because I think it's genius. I appreciate it. Let's keep sharing resources. Drop me a line in the comments. What's your favorite ADHD tip or trick?